Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Position the can on a stable surface and remove excess paint around the rim so the tool seats cleanly. Use a thin pry tool or flathead screwdriver. Insert it under the lid lip and tap gently with a hammer to break the initial seal because paint contracts and traps the lid. Once done, rotate the can a quarter turn and repeat at a new spot to gradually loosen the seal all the way around, making sure you do not bend the lid edge, which would prevent resealing. With several initial gaps created, insert your pry tool at evenly spaced points, about 1 to 2 inches apart, and apply short, controlled leverage motions. Alternate sides so pressure is balanced. This prevents warping the lid and makes the lid come free without sudden pops. Pry only about 1/8 to 1/4 inch per spot, then move to the next gap. Make sure to wipe away drips as you go, and keep the lid aligned with the can to ensure a clean fit. When the lid moves freely around most of the rim, lift it straight up using 2 pry points to distribute force evenly. Do not twist, which can shear the seal. If it still sticks, pour hot tap water over the can seam for 30–60 seconds to soften the paint seal, then try prying again. If the lid is dented and won't seat, gently reform the rim with a rubber mallet from the inside outward. Then clean the sealing surfaces before closing so the can will reseal effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.